This is the user guide provided for the iBlood system. This video will provide information on how the doctors should use this solution. This is the initial screen of the iBlood solution. In here, you have to enter the registration number given by the Sri Lanka Medical Council and also the password given by the administrator of the system. After typing the user credentials, you have to click on the login button. This is the main web page of the iBlood system. As you can see in the left upper corner, the details of the patient is displayed. The right side of the web page will provide you the form which you have to enter the full blood count report details of a patient. The left bottom corner will allow you to enter the patient symptoms. First, let me enter the details of a full blood count report. It is important that you have to enter both blood report details and symptoms before clicking on the Find Disease button. Otherwise, the system will ask you to provide relevant information as the system needs both blood report details and symptoms to process. So, after entering the details correctly, you need to click on Find Disease button. Then, a window will be displayed by presenting the predictions generated for the disease condition of a patient. The disease which belongs the highest average can be considered as the disease which is infected by the patient. As you can see, there is a button displayed in the right corner corresponding to each disease. If you click on this button, the treatments suggested by the system will be displayed. However, if you think that this patient needs treatments which are containing in another severity level, you can simply click on Suggest Treatments button. After clicking on this button, you can see that you are able to select a severity level for the treatment except for the treatment severity level suggested by the system. The main purpose of suggesting a treatment is when an identical patient comes to a doctor in future, the suggested treatments will be displayed along with the treatments given by the system. I will later show an example of how the suggested treatments are displayed. So, after suggesting a disease severity, you can go back to the other window and select the final diagnosis which you have decided for this patient and press the Submit Diagnosis button. This process is essential as the system will use doctor's final diagnosis to increase the accuracy of the system. These are the steps which can be used in operating iBlood system. So, finally let me show you how the treatment suggested will be displayed. So, I have added the details of a patient whose blood report details and symptoms are identical to the previous patient. So, once you click the Final Diagnosis button and go to the Treatments section, you can see the suggested treatments which were given by other doctors. This will be the user guide provided for iBlood system. Thank you for your time.